Here's the walkthrough of this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that's available for sale in Westside Norman. Hi, I'm Marcie Billen, and I'm a real estate agent with Team Realty and Keller Mulinix. This 3-bedroom home is just over 1,500 square feet, and the HVAC has been updated in the past 6 years. There's also a new roof with upgraded decking. You can add all the personal touches you would like to this home. The owner's suite here is located on the first floor, and this being the only bathroom on the first floor, it does have access to the hallway as well. The owner's suite has recently had new tile, and of course, it also has 2 vanities. Upstairs, we'll find 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and also the study. The study has lots of light with a skylight. The 2 bedrooms are split by the bathroom, and the bathroom is only accessible from the hallway. The upstairs bathroom is neutral like the rest of the house and has a tile floor. The carpets in this house have been professionally cleaned in the past month. Let's take a look now at the outside. Now, since this house is on a cul-de-sac, this backyard is going to be bigger. There's also a full hookup for a hot tub in the backyard. And then we have this shed also. If you have questions, please give me a call. My information's in the description below. You'll also find the link for the full listing in the description. Thanks so much for watching.